Hello students, today I am explaining a topic of data structure, that is binary search. Before we start, please subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest notification updates. So, before going to binary search, let us understand the meaning of searching. It is a process of finding the location of an element in the given list of array element. There are several searching algorithms and I am explaining binary search algorithm. Binary search is also called as half interval search. It is a searching algorithm that finds position of a target value within a sorted array. So, to apply the binary search, you need a sorted array list. There may be two cases. One is successful binary search, another one is unsuccessful binary search. And I am analyzing here for successful binary search algorithm. This is the example of sorted array elements. So, you need sorted array elements to apply binary search algorithm. Binary search starts testing the data element at the middle of the array. This determines whether the target value is present in the first half of the list or in the second half of the list. If target value is present in the first half of the list, you do not need to check the second half. You will eliminate this. If target is present in the second half of the list, you do not need to check the first half. You will eliminate the first half of the list. It means we will eliminate half of the list in every iteration until we find the target value. For this process, first we have to find the middle of the array, middle value of the list. For this, we have to find first the middle value of the list. To find the middle value of the list, we need three variables. One is to identify the beginning of the list, one is to identify the end of the list, and one is to identify the mid of the list. To identify the beginning of the list, I will take variable as first. To identify the end of the list, I will take variable as last. And to find the mid of the list, I will take variable as mid. Variable mid. That we have to find. The middle of the list. How we can find it? We can find mid value as mid equals to first plus last divided by 2. So what is the first value? First value is index value of first element, that is array of 1, and last is array of 12. Array of 1 plus array of 12 divided by 2, that is 1 plus 12 divided by 2 is equals to 13 by 2 is what? 6. That is array of 6. A of 6 means array of 6 is the middle of the list. So 25 is the middle element of the list. Now this is the mid value of our given list. Now what we have to do? We have to consider a target. Let us consider target. I will consider target as 29. Suppose this is our target value. Means we are searching for element 29. Whether 29 is present in this list or not. And if it is present in the list, at which location it is present. So I am considering 29 as our target value. Now next what we have to do, we have to compare target value with the middle value. Compare target value with the middle value. What is target value? Target value is 29 and middle value is 25. Here target value is greater than middle value. It means target value is present in the greater part, not in the lesser part. It means from A of 1 we have to eliminate first part of the list. Target value is not present in the first part of the list. It present in the second half of the list. So we have to eliminate up to where? Array of 1 to array of 6. Mid value is 6. A of 1 to A of 6. I will eliminate this first part of the list. I have eliminated this list. Now for further search I will not consider this part. I will consider only array of 7 to array of 12. I have eliminated this part. Why? Because target value is not present in this part. Target value is present in the second half of the list. So I have eliminated half of the list. Now for further search what we have to do? Again we have to assign first, we have to assign last, and again we have to find out mid value of the list, and again compare target value with the mid value. So here first is eliminated. Now I have to search from array of 7 to array of 12. I have to consider only these elements. So first I have to assign variable first, that is beginning of the list. For first variable I will assign first equals to mid. What is mid? A of 6. Mid is 6. Mid plus 1, that is 6 plus 1 becomes 7. Array of 7. So mid plus 1, that is 6 plus 1 is 7. Array of 7. This will become our variable first. Now this will become our beginning of the list, that is first variable first. Now last is same as it is and target is 29. Now what we have to do? We have to find out the middle of the list now. So to find the mid of the list, what is the formula? Mid equals to first plus last divided by 2. So what is first? First is 7 and last is 12. So 7 plus 12 divided by 2 is 19 by 2 is 9, that is array of 9. So array of 9 is what? Array of 9, 36. So this is our new mid value of the list. Array of 9 is the mid of the list and 36 is mid element of the list. Now what next? We have to compare target value with the middle value. So what is the target value? Compare target value with the middle value. Target value is 29. Middle value is 36. compare these two. Target value is less than 36. It means target value is present in the lesser part of the list, that is first part of the list, not in the second part of the list. It is not present in the second half of the list. So we can eliminate this part, that is from where array of 9 to array of 12. I will eliminate this half of the list. Now I have eliminated this list. Now I have only 2 elements left in the list. Array of 7, that is first, array of 8. Here last element is eliminated, so I have to consider this element. Only 2 elements are left, so this will be the last element of the list. So I have to assign last equals to mid minus 1, that is mid is 9, minus 1 becomes 9 minus 1 becomes 8. So I will assign mid minus 1, that is 8. Array of 8 will become last of the list. This is our last of the list. Now what we have to do? Now we have to find the mid of the list. So find the mid of the list. So what is the first? First is 7 and last is 8. So what will be the value of this? 7, that is array of 7. Array of 7 is our now new mid. So I will write here, this is the mid of the list now, and this is the last of the list, and first is same as it is. Now compare target value with the middle value. Target value with the middle value. What is target value? Target value is 29 and middle value of the list is 29. Compare these two. Here 29 is equals to 29, means target is equals to mid value. It means search found. Here it stops the searching because we have got the element, target element for which we are searching. This stops the searching here.
Thank you.